Back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the tool deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make retro review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, some of these tool deals are kind of hidden, and I'm showing you guys where you guys can look at some of the deals. I did have to stop by and get some more grass, some more seed for my for another section of my yard I have. $129 for the combo and $109 for the blower, as you guys see there, Craftsman. And then we got $99 deals here with the impact driver and drill driver, and then we got some tool kits here for $99. So pretty much almost everything here is $99 except for that big tool kit there. But yeah, $99 for just pretty much. That's a nice tool kit there. It's the 300 piece for $299. That's the blower, 24 volt blower. 129 piece kit there with a nice case. And then we have this one, $99 for 81 piece. That is the black chrome. It's on clearance. And that one says $69.98. It's a 83 piece. That's a regular chrome. Really nice. And then we have that one, 150 piece for $149. So pretty much $1 a piece. That's what it stands for. If you could get it for under $1, you're pretty much getting a good deal there. So $49, $49.98 for that 48 piece. So like I said, about $1 a piece. So we'll suggest if you could get it for under $1, that's a great deal. Like I got the other day, I got a 48. I believe it was a 40 piece for like 20 something dollars. You got the Cobalt XTRs. You got the impact driver, drill driver combo there for $289. You got the impact driver for $179. The drill driver for $169. Circulars or the reciprocating stuff for $149. That's the 4 amp hour battery for $59.98 that you get for free on the purchase of any of these tools. So definitely recommend any of these for a DIY or professional, because these are professional tools. These are Craftsman, pretty much DIY tools, so they're pretty much on the inexpensive side. So $79 for a drill, $69 for a circular saw, $89 for a drill. As you guys see there, I believe it's a brushless. So really nice tool deals. And $179 for that 4-piece combo kit. Drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, and a flashlight. $179. You got another one here for $89. Does come with the battery and a charger. Same thing with Cobalt. They do have some good deals here. You just gotta look at them, compare prices. $24.98. You got a nice set there, 40 piece. So then, yeah, like I said, you have to compare prices. Buy one, get one free, pretty much. It's a buy a better tool and get one of those free batteries. So definitely worth check them out. You got some DeWalt deals here. XRs, $249 for drill driver, impact driver. Some of these are made in the USA, by the way, so really nice tools to look at. So you guys know you're getting professional tools if they're XRs. XRs pretty much top of the line here, and that's pretty much their stand light, the big light that the DeWalt. It's like the rocket light from DeWalt. It's a really nice light, very sturdy. I like how it stands. Looks really tough. And that's the deals that they're having now. So $179, a drill driver or impact driver. These are the XRs, 20 volt XR. So that's one of the new ones that they're having out. So $179, $349 for that 4-tool combo kit, which is drill driver, impact driver, light, and a reciprocating saw. Pretty much all brushless tools. Same thing with this, $179, made in the USA with global materials. $229 for the impact driver, drill driver with 2 batteries and a charger. In a bag. $249 for that one, the XR, made in the USA. And then $13 $9.98 for the 45 piece. Really nice. $2.99 for the bottom kit. So definitely some great deals there. We got some more XRs. And I believe that they're running a deal that you buy one of these tools and you get a free 5 amp hour battery. I don't know if they're running it on this Lowe's, but on the other Lowe's I went to, they are, and I will leave the link down up above. Hopefully you guys can look at that deal, or you can go online and get that deal with these XR tools, bare tools. Really nice deals there for that 5 amp hour battery. And I haven't looked at these before, which is weird. Really nice toolboxes from Cobalt. They do have this little one, which that'll definitely work great with my smaller truck that I have for my work truck. I'm gonna probably go that route if my toolbox fails me or something like that. And then got the pretty much the igloos or the water dispensers. Really nice with some ladders there. Got some Bosch kits. Definitely some good deals here. $9.98 for that set there. $19.98 for the 10 or the times 10 40 piece. Says it's impact rated. $9.98 for that set there. It's just hard to read because they were way on the bottom. $11.98. And when we're here at the Cobalt section, same thing. You do have drill driver, impact driver for $99. So definitely suggest you guys take a look here. If you guys can't find the one on the other section, come to the Cobalt section. It's the Cobalt XTRs. Those are the tools for $99. Really nice brushless tools. And then these were $14.88 and $9.88. These are the 3/8 and quarter, I believe. And if you guys want to look at the deals, there's a clearance deals that they have going on right now. All those clearance deals, they're probably up there if they're not on the floor. So always take a look at up there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. We'll see you guys in the next one.